Hi guys, and this is a new tutorial about the Snapchat app. Right now I will show you how to activate and get the ring light on this app. So let's check how to activate this option and create cool snap and stories. Let's open our Snapchat. We have our default screen to create a new story, and we need to check this right bar of the screen. We are interested in the second option, like flash. Let's pick on it one time. To activate the ring one, we just need to pick on the ring section. And before, I want also to turn off my light on the room. Don't forget that you can use another color of the ring, for example this one, which is warmer, and this one is cooler. Don't forget to control the intensity of the light after scrolling this appearance selector to the right or left side. I want to set this color as an example, so let's pick on this shooter button to create a new snap. Guys, I hope that right now you know how to use this amazing option, because it's very cool and helpful for your snap to create new and popular stories. Don't forget about likes. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to find even more cool tricks and guides about the Snapchat and other programs. So goodbye guys, good luck!